In today's video, I'll show you how to add ChatGPT to a Microsoft Teams channel so you can access it quickly without leaving Teams. Before we begin, keep in mind that this method works for work or school Microsoft Teams accounts. If you're using a personal Teams account, you may not see the same options. You'll also need the proper permissions from your organization to add tabs to a channel. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Teams dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Chat or Teams, then choose the specific team and channel where you want to add ChatGPT. Open the channel so you can see the conversation area and the tabs at the top. At the top of the channel, click the plus icon next to the existing tabs. This opens the Add a Tab window, where you can choose different apps and pages. You might expect to find a ChatGPT app here, but there's currently no built-in ChatGPT app for Microsoft Teams. Instead, we'll add it using the website option. If you searched for ChatGPT and didn't find it, simply look for and select Website. A setup window will appear, allowing you to add a website as a tab. Give the tab a clear and recognizable name, such as ChatGPT. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the ChatGPT website. Copy the full web address from the address bar. For security, make sure the link starts with HTTPS and that you trust the site you're adding. Go back to Microsoft Teams and paste the copied URL into the website tab setup. Double-check the tab name and the link, then click Save in the bottom right corner. Microsoft Teams will now add ChatGPT as a tab in your channel. The first time you open it, you may be asked to sign in. Go ahead and log in if prompted. Once signed in, you can start using ChatGPT directly inside Microsoft Teams through that tab, making it easy to ask questions or generate content without switching apps. There's also another way to access the website option. From the left sidebar, click the 3 horizontal dots under Copilot to open more apps. From there, you can search for website or browse apps and add it as a tab to your chosen team or channel. Depending on your setup, you may even see a shortcut that takes you there faster. And that's it. Your ChatGPT tab is now set up and ready to use. Share it with your team and start using ChatGPT directly inside Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.